Okay, hi everyone, I am Carrie Wilson and this is my website, Trash to Treasure is what I named it. So the main idea of Trash to Treasure is a nonprofit organization that helps homeless people or people that have been displaced from their homes who have recently gotten into a home. They're probably starting over, don't have a lot to put into their house, so this is kind of turning their house into a home. So the main design decisions that I made with this nonprofit is I wanted to keep it very clean and simple. There's lots of images, so I didn't want to distract from that. I used a sans serif font called Roboto, and I did the 5 sections. They are About Us, Our Mission, Candidates, Our Designs, and Donate. So I chose to do a simple white background, and then in the mobile view, which I will see if I can, I've never done this with Screen-O-Matic before, so I'm not sure if I can shrink the screen or not. You can see that there are, at the headings, there's a colored background. So I'll just go through each section. So there's our About Us, and then Our Mission, Candidates, our Designs. So it has a little slider here that has some different designs. And then the call to action to donate now. And it has a list of things that you can donate, and then you can schedule the drop-off. So that's the website. And the thing that I feel like I learned the most about doing this project is searching through all of the HTML and finding out what kind of styling has already been applied to it, and then changing that to fit my designs. That was probably the most difficult part for me, was just wading through all of that, but I feel like I learned a lot. So yeah, I really liked this project, and I hope that you enjoy this video. Thanks.